Hello, welcome to Pulpy Tamarind Channel. Today we will be seeing how to make Pineapple Kesari, which is a sweet. The ingredients are semolina 1 cup, 2 cups of sugar, 2.5 cups of water, clarified butter 100 ml, quarter teaspoon lemon yellow color, 1 teaspoon pineapple essence, a pinch of salt, 25 grams cashew nuts, 25 grams dry grapes. Take a deep frying pan or a kadai or a wok. Add 2 teaspoons or tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. Add 25 grams of cashew nuts and stir fry them till they are golden brown and crisp. Add 25 grams of dry grains of dry raisins and again stir fry them till they are done. You can take 25 grams of cashew nut and raisins or less or more. It's up to you because it's only for taste. And the cashew nuts could be full, that is total, or broken. You can take it any which way that you would like to. It's just an additional taste. You please stir fry the dry grapes and the cashew nuts till they're done, and then you can keep them aside. And keep the deep frying pan or kadai or wok back on the medium flame. Once the cashew nut and raisins are done, remove them and keep them aside, and keep the kadai, wok or deep frying pan back on medium flame. The whole cooking process must be done on medium flame. If the clarified butter is enough, add the semolina, 1 cup semolina, it is the same. If the clarified butter is less, add some more from the 100 ml of clarified butter. Add the semolina, 1 cup of semolina to the clarified butter and keep stirring it till the raw smell goes and the semolina turns a light brown color. This will add taste to the dish. If required, add some more clarified butter. Once the raw smell goes and the light brown color comes to the semolina, remove it and keep it aside, and keep the kadai back on medium flame for the next process. Okay, now that the kadai has been kept on the medium flame, add 2.5 cups of water. So for 1 cup of semolina, rava or Sooji, the ratio is 2.5 cups of water and 2 cups of sugar. So now we are adding 2.5 cups of water. And to this we will add 1 pinch of salt. That is to enhance the sweetness of the dish. And we'll add quarter teaspoon of lemon yellow color. Now this is in powder form in this scenario, but if you have color in liquid form, add adequate drops to give it a rich lemon yellow color. Now once the quarter teaspoon of lemon yellow color is put into the water, the whole thing will dissolve and infuse into the water and give it a good rich color. Now we need to wait till the water boils, and once the water boils, we'll add the semolina little by little, and at the same time consistently keep moving the spoon so that lumps don't form. The water is boiled, so we'll add the semolina little by little and keep stirring it at the same time so the lumps don't form. And even after all the precautions, if lumps do get formed, then no problem. with the help of the spoon and the side of the kadai or the hot pan or the wok, try to dissolve it into the water. If you rub it against in between the spoon and the kadai, it will disintegrate, and so you can dissolve it. Then this you have to wait for this to cook. The 1 cup of semolina will soak the 2.5 cups of water and start getting cooked. So this is the stage where you can add some more clarified butter if required. And once you feel that the semolina is cooked, which will take from 5 to 7 minutes, you can add the 2 cups of sugar. And we are not using powdered sugar, we are using the crystal sugar. And mix the sugar well into the semolina. Keep mixing it well till it dissolves. And add 1 teaspoon of pineapple essence. Pineapple essence is the main ingredient in this dish because this is pineapple kesari, and that is the one which gives you the flavor of pineapple. Mix this also well into the semolina and let it cook. And once the semolina is done, add cashew nuts and raisins and keep some aside for garnish. Now your kesari, pineapple kesari is ready. Transfer it into a serving bowl. Garnish with raisins and cashew nuts, and it's ready to eat. So this is pineapple kesari. Thank you for watching Pulpy Tamarind. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for notifications. Thank you.